Alright guys, so what are these 7 easy jobs that you watching this video right now can actually do starting today or tomorrow to start generating an income online so that way you have the freedom of being a digital nomad. Now first and foremost, what is a digital nomad? A digital nomad is somebody who simply works wherever they please. Coffee shops, foreign countries, like right now I'm in Thailand, right? This is my condo in Thailand. You can hear my accent. I am not Thai. I'm an American, but I travel full time. And just to tell you a little bit about myself and why I can even talk about this is because I'm a full-time traveler, right? And the only things that I use to make money is this right here, my iPhone, and my laptop. Simple, right? Now, basically, I dropped out of school, dropped out of college because I just didn't see working for somebody as being a benefit. So I pursued digital entrepreneurship, came across a couple of things that I were interested in, dibbled and dabbled, found some that I didn't like, found some that I did like, and overall figured out what I did like, learned a skill set, mastered it, and started generating a consistent income online, which has allowed me to literally travel full time, see the world, right? And that is the freaking dream. Life is all about experiences. So what are these 7 easy jobs that you can start applying today? Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Now I've dibbled and dabbled with a couple, but affiliate marketing is so simple. Affiliate marketing is when you refer products, and when you refer those products, and there's different ways you can basically get people in front of those products, whether it's YouTube content like this, whether it's a blog, right, or all types of strategies, free and paid, right, to where you can get people in front of these products that you're referring. What happens is the company whose product it is, they created it, they handle the actual fulfillment. You don't have to do anything but simply get people in front of this product and to buy it. And once sales are generated, these companies will pay you a large commission, right? It's very simple. You can do more research on affiliate marketing, but that is what I personally do, and I found it to be extremely wonderful, and I love it because you literally don't have to do anything but get people in front of these offers. You don't have to like create anything, and you don't have to handle fulfillment. Number 2, the first thing that I stumbled across was called network marketing. What is network marketing? Usually it's a company that's built around a product, right? And with this product, what they do is they allow people to simply build an organization around this product or this service or whatever it may have you, right? And what happens is you get paid for volume, right? An example is, let's just say I have product A, which is, my product is iPhones. Now, there's no network marketing company for iPhones, but let's just say this product, iPhones, what happens is I start building a team, and the larger my team gets, the larger volume I have, because they're either going to have like auto ships where they're purchasing that product, and the best network marketing companies are ones that have great compensation plans, ones that have great training behind it, and the last thing that you actually want to look into is the actual product, because there's no sense of having a great product if they don't teach you how to actually build a network of people who are buying it, either customers, right? So there's 2 types of things with affiliate, network marketing. Customers who actually buy the product, so you're just servicing people who add extra volume, and then what happens is the more volume that you're creating, you start to get to different ranks and levels within the network marketing company, and they pay you residual income, right? One might be $600 a month, then $1,000 a month, then $2,000 a month, then $4,000 a month. I have some buddies within the network marketing industry making $50,000 a month. Can they travel full-time? 100%. They travel to actually build their network within the network marketing, right? So you have consumers, people who actually just purchase that product that you're offering. And then number 2, you have people who are distributors. People who actually distribute the product like you do to try to generate an income off of it. So that is number 2 of the 7 easy jobs to make money online. Number 3 is e-commerce, aka, or not aka, or drop shipping. Now what is that? Aka arbitrage. What is arbitrage? Simply when you go ahead and buy something for low and you sell it for high. Back in the day, what I used to do, I've always been an entrepreneur. I always didn't like to work for people, right? I used to sell candy. What I used to do, I used to go to Walmart. I used to buy like Snickers and Skittles and all that stuff. I used to get it for literally 50 cents. I used to go to school and I used to sell it for $1. So that 50 cent spread, I used to pocket it and I used to reinvest that money back into selling candy, right? Or buying more candy so I can sell more of it. Buy it for low, sell it for high. That's the same thing with e-commerce, right? Selling tangible products online. But the cool thing about drop shipping is literally you don't have to own the product. There's places like Alibaba where you can literally find a product, right? You can basically find different ways, free and paid ways, to get it in front of people, right? A target audience or a target market. And when people find your product and they actually buy it, let's just say that you marked it up to $20 and on Alibaba it's worth $5. You simply go ahead, once somebody actually makes that purchase, and what's the platform most people use is called Shopify. You simply go ahead and actually have them buy it. Once they buy it for $20, you use their money, and you actually buy the product for $5, and then you ship it out to them. You fulfill the order and put their information in, so that way it actually ships out to them. Arbitrage is the same thing. Buying candy for low, selling it for high. You could do this online, and you can travel the freaking world, or work at coffee shops, or work freaking anywhere. Number 4 is becoming a content creator. A content creator is basically, there's a whole bunch of freaking big businesses out there, or even small businesses, who don't know about social media, who could utilize from social media. An example is myself, right? Believe it or not, you see me creating all this content, but one thing that I hate doing is actually creating content like Instagram content. So what I do is I personally outsource my actual content creator, or my content creation. There's other big businesses that you can reach out to, say, hey, do you have an Instagram? Do you have a Facebook? Who's creating your content? For $250 a month, or for $300 a month, I'll go ahead and create 30 pieces of content, so you can produce content every day for your business, right? That's $10 a day. How long does it take you, or $10 per day, but how long does it take you to create a piece of content? It takes you, what, 10 minutes? 10 minutes, that's 10 minutes an hour, right? And you can start doing that and basically creating content for people, like for their Instagram page, their Facebook page, their Twitter page, whatever. Create content for them, and then they can pay you online. And again, you can do this from anywhere. All you need is simple apps on your smartphone, and you can learn how to do this with your laptop, with like Photoshop, Fonto. There's all types of apps, right? Number 5 is becoming a social media manager, right? Another thing, there's a whole bunch of businesses out there who hate social media, but they know for a fact that that is where life is going, right? Everybody's attention is on these things right here, smartphones. So they know if they're getting left behind if they're not doing social media. That does not mean that they want to do it. They will pay somebody. So you can be the person, if you're always on Instagram, and you're always on Twitter, and you're always on these social media, you're a freaking expert and you don't even know it, right? Because you're always using it. These older people, or these older business owners, don't do it. So what you can do is you can simply reach out to them, whether it's phone call, whether it's setting up a meeting, whether it's going business to business, and you can start generating clientele of people who will allow you or pay you to actually do their social media accounts. You can get paid twice for creating the content and for actually managing it, distributing the content, managing it, posting, setting up automation. There's ways that you can automate this, right? So you can literally be a social media manager on autopilot. And again, you could do this from anywhere. All you need is a laptop or a smartphone. That one you can literally just create with a smartphone. Number 6 is consulting, right? Is there something that you do online or offline that you are really freaking good at? Like you're really good at. You can get people to pay you for your advice as an expert, right? An example is I do consulting for affiliate marketing, right? If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, right, I gave you a little bit about what it is within this video, but if you haven't wrapped your head around it, right, you can actually set up a meeting with myself and I will teach you about affiliate marketing, right? That's my expertise. You might be really good at sales. You might be really good at social media. Most millennials are freaking experts at social media and they don't even know it, right? Because they're always using it. They're always trying to build their following. They're always trying to do all these things to take it to the next level, right? You can get people to pay you for your advice. And last but not least, number 7 is becoming a Upwork or Fiverr freelancer. There's a whole bunch of weird gigs on literally Fiverr and Upwork.com. Look it up, right? To where people pay money for things that they don't want to do. They're outsourcing websites. They can literally outsource what they want to you, right? And there might be a specialty or an expertise that you have that other people don't like to do that you can have people pay you for. Whether it's content creation, social media marketing, copywriting, email copywriting, becoming a virtual assistant. Like, there's 1,000,001 things that you can do. Simply spend a week learning a skill set, and they get people to actually pay you for that skill set because they don't want to do it. They outsource it to you, and you can simply create an income from anywhere. Fiverr and Upwork, and simply just becoming a freelancer, a digital nomad. So where you can make money online, you can travel the world, you can do whatever the heck your heart desires. And those are the 7 jobs that you can do, easy jobs to create money online or to make money online. And more importantly, become a digital nomad so that way you too, just like myself, can travel full time, work at coffee shops, work from home, work in your freaking boxers or whatever it looks like, right? So that way you can live a life of time and location freedom to where you have the time to do whatever the heck you want. You're not stuck behind an office space. And number 2, you have the freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want. There's no set schedule, right? Now, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you want more valuable content in the future. And last but not least, make sure you join the notification squad. There's a little bell that will allow you to get updated for my future content. And if you do want to learn more about affiliate marketing, down below there's actually a free training that will show you A to Z how to actually start a passive income business with affiliate marketing. And if you want to go above and beyond and learn how I generate multiple thousands of dollars per week, generating income on autopilot, passive income, while I'm shooting this video right now, I'm making money, right? Then I actually have a course for affiliate marketing as well. Link in the description. Shameless plug, because this is going to help you. And Eric Ellis Jr., checking out.